Copyright law is obsolete. Author, Anna Mancini, www.amancini.com. Publisher, Buenos Books America, www.buenosbooks.com. Introduction. The Internet, e-books, print-on-demand and digital rights management technologies are profoundly changing the economics of the book market. For the first time in the history of the humankind, we have acquired a new technology capable of making books available to everyone as digital files or even as physical books. Indeed, when they are sufficiently distributed throughout the world, print-on-demand technologies will allow us to create physical books from digital files wherever we wish. We will no longer have to suffer the heaviness and limitations linked to the material world. It will be much easier to circulate books as digital files and to print them where we want on reader demands than to transport and stock printed books. The emerging virtual book market is very different from the traditional book market. The laws of the virtual economy are vastly different from the laws of the material economy, to which we are accustomed and which have shaped our legal systems. In the first part of this book, we will observe the changes occurring in the book market. We will discuss the choices of society, even of civilization, provided by the use, appropriate or otherwise, of new communication technologies. We will reflect on possible restrictions to the free flow of ideas that could result from use, contrary to the purpose of communication technologies. In the second part of this book, we will explain why some legal concepts, such as intellectual property, or the traditional idea of justice, are unsuited to the new emerging book market. We will then propose other solutions. Finally, we will propose guidelines to modernize copyright law so that it can help the emerging book market to move toward the creation of a civilization of freedom of speech and information abundance for all, as well as the highest respect for authors. Part 1. The rapid changes in the book market opposed to the rigidity of law. Chapter 1. A philosophy of law severed from reality. The globalization involved in the technological progress is profoundly changing the publishing world. Copyright, however, has not been adapted to this. Changes that have been regularly proposed in domestic or international copyright laws are not in proportion to the importance of the changes taking place in the book market. This is mainly due to the fact that governments and lawyers are overwhelmed by immediate problems and are attempting to find solutions for each new case, under great pressure from lobbying groups and without time for philosophical distance. Worldwide, legal changes are limited to patching up the
Sample complete. Ready to continue?